My AC and heater actually smell pretty nasty right now. Some months back, my evaporator, I guess, cracked, and all of the coolant went in through the system and came out the vents. It went all through that filter in there, and I guess also probably got very moist. So I have like a dingy, musty smell from my vents every time I turn it on. So it's time to change that. I'm used to it being underneath the dashboard or inside the glove box. Every other car I've had has been that way, but this one, you have to like lift up the cowling and it's like in there. So we gotta at least pop these two little guys out so that we can lift this up and get to it.
This seems to work pretty well for me. I kind of pry some under it because it's like a little weird plastic screw, and if you push on it, it just pops back in there. But if you lift up this little plate while you're doing it, it seems to help it come out. Well, it's weird. It's a plastic screw and this little weird, I don't even know. And the filter's right there. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that's pretty gross. Yeah, that is pretty freaking dirty. The airflow is going that way, I think. And it would be like this. Is that right? Actually more finicky than I was expecting it to be. You can see how it fits into that housing there. It clicks in. It's pretty obvious whenever it goes into place. Kind of have to stuff the bottom in at an angle. How to get it in sideways, stuff the bottom in at an angle, and then click it forward. And then good to go. Ow, that hurt. I just smashed the shit out of my head. Oh, on a sharp point, no less. Ow. 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 Now you're gonna want to put those clips back in, and the screws, honestly, you can just press them in there. You don't need the screwdriver. And then you want to make sure these clips that hold the panel back against the window are seated. You can press the panel hard and you'll feel them click into place. Pretty easy, a little fiddly, but it's done.